Hello everyone. So someone just asked me to make a windsurfing design. So I am making a windsurfing design today, and to make this design I need some quotes or text to put in my design. So I was searching for windsurfing quotes and I found this one interesting. Don't let the fear of falling keep you from flying. So I am taking this and some inspiration. I just make a search here windsurfing t-shirts and I found this one is good, so I am going to make something in the same way. So for that I made a vector and a vector of wave. Here is my text. So let's get started. First of all I need to make some rectangles just like we did before, except these will be in a different way that we did previously. Okay, shit, sorry. So let's duplicate them, right? Align them and then group. So I'm going to add some colors here, like for this one red, this one is yellow, this one lighter yellow, and then not like that. Okay, so this one is looking out of focus. Okay, now this is my rectangles. I'm going to put them like if I take my surfer here with these waves, yeah, they're perfectly matching with each other. So let's make a group here, cut them, paste in front. So this is going to be my design. Now we have used some vectors before, or sorry, some ellipses before, but for this one I'm going to use a rounded rectangle tool. Yeah, something like this. This might work. Let's crop. Sorry, before cropping I need to make a copy of this rectangle here, then we can crop this. Now paste that rectangle on front, make it a bigger. So I am going to put my this line through here. So cut that text, paste on path. This is not like you have to take a circle every time, or you have to make this kind of designs every time, but you know something is relevant, like the sea base or sunset theme is relevant with surfing, so we can use them. Don't let the fear of falling. Okay, let's keep it here. I'm going to make it a bit down. Yeah, that's good. Now take our surfers here, cut and paste in front. I'm going to keep him inside my designs, or like this. This area is okay. I think okay, now for beach scenes or sunset type scenes, we need palm tree always looks good, so we need to bring a palm tree. Okay, so here is our palm tree. Let's take it and place it somewhere like this. Yeah, this is good. Now I need to add some text here, like this one. Flying. For flying, I am going to add some kind of fancy type fonts, like we can use any door. Yeah, but I need this F to be a capital F. Yeah, this is good. Card paste in front. Okay, let's do something else here, something like this. Maybe let's break this font. Now I am going to take out this dots there. Let's place it first, we will work on that later. Break them all. This should be the end point. Now, yeah, we can use this, or we can use another font like don't let the fear of falling, something like this. Now this is our circle. I'm going to use this one here, right here, then make offset path of this. Yeah, that is good, I think, or a bit lower. That's good. Take this. Yeah, this is looking good. Don't let the fear of falling get you from flying. So this is going to be my text for this design. Group them all. Now delete this part. I don't like that to be look like that. Okay, so here is my text. I think this is good. Now for this one, I'll make it a bit smaller. Place something like this, somehow like this. Okay, that is good. Now I want everything to be selected except this color, so cut that, paste in here. Okay, so our design is ready. If we put a black background here, we can see what we have done so far. Yeah, this is our design. I think this palm tree should be a bit inside this design. Yeah, that is good, but I don't want this to be seen through these webs, so select them both, then use shape builder to erase these parts. Okay, done. So this is our design. Now for this one we can make a offset path like this, cut that, select this, and okay, let's cut them from there, paste in front. Now cut that, paste in front here. Now if we select our design, like we need to make two colors in our swatches. This one will be red, sorry, this one will be red, this one will be lighter yellow. Okay, I don't know how this is looking. I am not liking this. Maybe something like this will work. Okay, so this is our design. Now we can add some texture on this, but that's up to you. This is how we can make a windsurfing. Okay, this is a windsurfing design, right? So let's add that text. Windsurfing. Not in this font. Yeah, this font is good. So let's add some more text. Maybe then I will like it. Okay, this is our windsurfing. You know, there are some kind of text that you have to understand, like this, born to surf. This can go with any designs, like born to ride, born to be a nurse, or anything. Okay, maybe this will be, yeah, this is looking good. Born to surf 2020. Make them a bit lower here. For this one, let's break it. Make a offset path. Yeah, that is good. Want to surf windsurfing. I just want it to make like this, or a bit darker yellow here to be get focused. Okay, so this is our main final design now. Yeah, this is looking better than previous one with this windsurfing text and born to ride. Okay guys, So this was a quick tutorial. I hope you will like this. If you like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and yeah, have a great time.